Drug addiction is considered a physiological condition because it fundamentally alters the way the brain and body function. While addiction often starts with voluntary drug use, it eventually leads to profound changes that are beyond the individual's control. Here's why drug addiction is recognized as a physiological condition. Brain rewiring. Drugs of abuse, such as opioids, stimulants, and alcohol, hijack the brain's reward circuitry. They flood the brain with neurotransmitters like dopamine, creating intense feelings of pleasure. Over time, the brain adapts to this surge by reducing its natural production of dopamine and altering the structure of reward-related brain regions. This rewiring makes the individual crave the drug to feel normal. Continued drug use leads to tolerance, where larger doses are needed to achieve the same effect. When drug levels drop, withdrawal symptoms occur, which can be physically and emotionally distressing. These symptoms further drive drug-seeking behavior to alleviate the discomfort. As addiction progresses, individuals often find it increasingly challenging to control their drug use, even when they are aware of its negative consequences. This loss of control is due to the changes in the brain's prefrontal cortex, impairing decision-making, judgment, and impulse control. The brain becomes conditioned to associate drug-related cues with pleasure, leading to intense cravings. These cravings can be triggered by environmental cues or stress, making it incredibly difficult to resist the urge to use drugs. Chronic drug use can have severe physiological consequences. For example, substances like opioids can slow down the respiratory system, while stimulants can raise blood pressure and cause heart problems. These physical changes further reinforce addiction as a physiological condition. Addiction disrupts the brain's ability to derive pleasure from natural rewards like food, sex, or social interaction. This means that addicted individuals are often less motivated to engage in healthy activities, perpetuating the cycle of drug use. Research suggests that genetics can play a significant role in a person's susceptibility to addiction. Certain genetic variations can make individuals more vulnerable to the physiological changes associated with addiction. In conclusion, drug addiction is considered a physiological condition because it results in profound alterations in brain structure and function, leading to compulsive drug-seeking behavior, tolerance, withdrawal, and a loss of control. Understanding addiction as a physiological condition is crucial for developing effective treatments and interventions to help those struggling with substance abuse.
Does someone you love suffer from drug addiction? Don't wait until it's too late. Call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-570-2259. A caring addiction specialist is awaiting your call.